Hello friends, welcome to part 13 of the video lecture series for Lucent General Knowledge book. In this part, we'll be taking up post-Mauryas. So here we go. Who were the successors of Mauryas? And the correct answer is native successors and foreign successors. Who were the native successors of Mauryas? And the correct answer is Sunga dynasty, Kanva dynasty, Satvahana dynasty and Chedi dynasty. Who were the foreign successors of Mauryas? And the correct answer is the Indo-Greeks, the Saka, the Parthians and the Kushanas. Who is the founder of Sunga dynasty? And the correct answer is Pushyamitra Sunga. What was the time period of Sunga dynasty? And the correct answer is from 185 BC till 73 BC. What was the capital of Sunga dynasty? And the correct answer is Vidisha, which is in Madhya Pradesh. Which stupa was made during the rule of Pushyamitra Sunga? And the correct answer is Barhut stupa. Who succeeded after Pushyamitra Sunga? And the correct answer is son Agnimitra. Who wrote the drama Malvika Agnimitra? And the correct answer is Kalidasa. Who is the hero of Kalidasa's Malvika Agnimitra? And the correct answer is Agnimitra. Who ruled after Agnimitra? And the correct answer is a series of weak rulers such as Vasumitra, Vajramitra, Bhagabhadra and Devabhuti. During Sunga dynasty, there was a revival of Dash, and the correct answer is Brahmanism. Pushyamitra Sunga was a staunch Dash, and the correct answer is Hindu. He was a Brahmin. Pushyamitra performed which yajna? And the correct answer is he performed 2 Ashwamedha yajna. Patanjali was a contemporary of which ruler? And the correct answer is Pushyamitra Sunga. Who was the priest for 2 Ashwamedha yajna performed by Pushyamitra? And the correct answer is Patanjali. Who wrote Mahabhashya? And the correct answer is Patanjali. The gateway railing of Sanchi Stupa was made during whose period? And the correct answer is Sunga period. What are the examples of Sunga art? And the correct answer is Viharas, Chaityas, Stupa of Bhaja, which is in Pune, Amravati Stupa, Nasika Chaitya, etc. The court of which Sunga dynasty ruler was visited by Greek ambassador Heliodorus? And the correct answer is Bhagabhadra. Which work talks about the conspiracy by Pushyamitra Sunga to kill the last Mauryan ruler Brihadratha? And the correct answer is Harshacharita, which is written by Bana Bhatta. Which play refers the defeat of Yavanas on the bank of Sindhu by Vasumitra? And the correct answer is Malvika Agnimitra. Who was the last ruler of Sunga dynasty? And the correct answer is Devabhuti. Who killed Devabhuti? And the correct answer is his minister Vasudeva Kanva. Who founded the Kanva dynasty? And the correct answer is Vasudeva Kanva. What is the time period of Kanva dynasty? And the correct answer is from 73 BC till 28 BC. What was the capital of Kanvas? And the correct answer is Patliputra. Kanva period came to an end in Dash, and the correct answer is 28 BC. Which dynasty was the successor of Kanva dynasty? And the correct answer is Satvahana dynasty. What is the time period of Satvahana dynasty? And the correct answer is from 60 BC till 225 AD. What was the capital of Satvahana dynasty? And the correct answer is Pratisthana, which is in Maharashtra. What is the other name used to refer to the rulers of Satvahana dynasty? And the correct answer is Andhras, which is mentioned in Puranas. Which region did the rulers of Satvahana dynasty rule? And the correct answer is Deccan and Central India. In which part of India did the early Satvahana ruler appear? And the correct answer is Maharashtra. Who is the founder of Satvahana dynasty? And the correct answer is Semuka. What is the time period of Semuka? And the correct answer is from 60 BC till 37 BC. Who was the third Satvahana ruler? And the correct answer is Satakarni I. Who is the author of Gatha Saptasati? And the correct answer is Hala, who is the 17th ruler of Satvahana dynasty. What is the Prakrit name for Gatha Saptasati? And the correct answer is Gahasattasai. Who wrote Vrihat Katha in Prakrit? And the correct answer is Gunadhya. Gunadhya was a contemporary of which ruler? And the correct answer is Hala. Who was the greatest Satavahana ruler? And the correct answer is Gautamiputra Satakarni. He was the 23rd ruler of Satavahana dynasty. Who defeated the Saka satrap Nahapana? And the correct answer is Gautamiputra Satakarni. Who married to the daughter of Saka satrap Rudradaman? And the correct answer is Vashishtiputra Sri Satakarni. He was the 24th ruler. Who was the last great ruler of Satavahana dynasty? And the correct answer is Yajna Shri Satakarni. He was the 27th ruler. Who was the last Satavahana ruler? And the correct answer is Pulamavi III. He was the 30th ruler. Satavahanas were succeeded by Dash. And the correct answer is Ikshvakus in 3rd century AD. Which dynasty had the practice of donating land with fiscal and administrative immunities to Brahmanas and Buddhist monks? And the correct answer is Satvahana dynasty. The earliest inscriptional evidence of land grant in India belongs to dash century BC. And the correct answer is 1st century BC. Under Satavahanas, many chaityas and viharas were cut out from rocks. Few of the examples are dash. And the correct answer is Nasik caves, Kanheri caves, Karle caves, all in Maharashtra. What was the official language of Satavahanas? And the correct answer is Prakrit. Satavahanas issued coins mainly in dash, and the correct answer is lead. They also had other coins in copper, bronze, and potin. Ghatikas during the period of Satavahanas were dash, and the correct answer is educational institutions. Who was the first Satvahana king bearing matronym, that is, bearing mother's name? And the correct answer is Gautamiputra Satakarni. What was the religion of Satavahanas? And the correct answer is Hindu. They also made donations to Buddhist monasteries. Achievements of Gautamiputra Satakarni were mentioned in dash inscription, and the correct answer is Nasik inscription. Which inscription gives detailed information about the Satvahana dynasty? And the correct answer is Nanaghat and Nasik inscription. Which dynasty ruled over Kalinga? And the correct answer is Chedi dynasty. In which century did the Chedi dynasty rose to power? And the correct answer is 1st century BC. Who was the third ruler of Chedi dynasty? And the correct answer is Kharavela. Which inscription gives information about Chedi dynasty? And the correct answer is Hathigumpha inscription, which is in Bhubaneswar. Kharavela was a follower of which religion? And the correct answer is Jainism. Kharavela constructed caves on dash hills for Jain monks to live in. And the correct answer is Udayagiri Hills, which is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Who were the first foreign rulers in post-Maurya period? And the correct answer is the Indo-Greeks. What was the other name of Menander, a Indo-Greek ruler? And the correct answer is Milinda. What is the time period of Menander? And the correct answer is from 165 BC till 145 BC. Milinda was converted to Buddhism by dash, and the correct answer is Nagasena. The Indo-Greek rulers have mentioned as dash in the Indian literature, and the correct answer is Yavanas. Who were the first rulers in India to issue gold coins attributed to the kings? And the correct answer is Indo-Greeks. Gandhara school of art has an element of Indo-Greek and Roman, that is Hellenic. Is it true or false? And the correct answer is it is true. What was the time period of Sakas? And the correct answer is from 1st century BC till 4th century AD. What was the other name of Sakas? And the correct answer is Scythians. The Sakas replaced which power in India? And the correct answer is the Indo-Greeks. Who was the most famous Saka ruler in India? And the correct answer is Rudradaman. What was the time period of Rudradaman? And the correct answer is from 130 AD till 150 AD. Who repaired the famous Sudarshan lake of Mauryan period? And the correct answer is Rudradaman. Which Satavahana ruler was defeated by Rudradaman? And the correct answer is Vashishtiputra Sri Satakarni. Which inscription of Rudradaman was written in chaste Sanskrit? And the correct answer is the Junagadh rock inscription. The Junagadh rock inscription of Rudradaman says that a dam on the Sudarshan lake for irrigation was constructed by Dash. And the correct answer is it was constructed by Pushyagupta, who was the governor of Chandragupta Maurya. Who were the other important Saka rulers in India? And the correct answer is Nahapana, Ushavadeva, Ghamatika, Chashtana, etc. In 58 BC, a king of Ujjain Dash is supposed to have fought against Sakas, and the correct answer is Vikramaditya. Which era is called Vikram Samvat? And the correct answer is from 58 BC. It is also the official calendar of Nepal. What is the meaning of Kshatrapa? And the correct answer is governor of the provinces. The Kshatrapa system of government was introduced in India by Dash, and the correct answer is Sakas. Who overthrew Sakas from India? And the correct answer is Gautamiputra Satakarni. Who replaced the Sakas in northwestern India and controlled an area much smaller than the Sakas? And the correct answer is Parthians. Parthians were also known by the name Dash, and the correct answer is Pahlavas. They originally lived in Iran. Who was the most famous Parthian king? And the correct answer is Gondophares. St. Thomas is said to have come to India for the propagation of Christianity during whose reign? And the correct answer is Gondophares. Kushanas belonged to the tribe of Dash, and the correct answer is Yauchi. Who established Kushana dynasty? And the correct answer is Katphases I or Kujul Katphases. Who was the second Kushana king? And the correct answer is Vima Katphases. Who issued first gold coin in India? And the correct answer is Vima Katphases. Who was the son and the successor of Vima Katphases? And the correct answer is Kanishka, who was also a greatest ruler. Who established Saka era in 78 AD? And the correct answer is Kanishka. This Saka era is also used by Government of India now. Who is known as Second Ashoka? And the correct answer is Kanishka. Who convened the fourth Buddhist council at Kundalwana, Kashmir? And the correct answer is Kanishka. What was the capital of Kanishka? And the correct answer is Peshawar. What was the second capital of Kanishka? And the correct answer is Mathura. Gandhara School of Art is related to which dynasty? And the correct answer is Kushana. Saka era is how many years behind Christian era? And the correct answer is 78 years. Kanishka followed which sect of Buddhism? And the correct answer is Mahayana Buddhism. Who was the last great Kushana ruler? And the correct answer is Vasudeva I. Which Chinese route was controlled by Kushanas that was a great source of income? And the correct answer is Silk Route. Which ruler for the first time issued gold coin on a large scale in ancient India? And the correct answer is Kanishka. Who were the scholars present in the court of Kanishka? And the correct answer is Persya, Vasumitra, Ashwaghosha, Nagarjuna, Charak, and Mathura. Who was the court physician during the reign of Kanishka? And the correct answer is Charaka. Who is also known as father of Indian medicine? And the correct answer is Charaka. What are the three schools of sculptures in post-Mauryan period? And the correct answer is Amravati school, which started in Satavahana's period, Gandhara school, which started in Kushana period, and Mathura school, which started in Gupta period. Which school of art is purely indigenous style? And the correct answer is Mathura school of art. What are the material used in the three school of sculpture? And the correct answer is for Gandhara school it is grey sandstone, for Mathura school it is red sandstone, for Amravati school it is white marble. Who in 46 to 47 AD discovered the monsoon sea route to India from West Asia? And the correct answer is the Greek sailor Hippalus. Which were the important western ports in the post-Mauryan period? and the correct answer is Baroch and Barbaricum. Which were the important eastern ports in post-Mauryan period? And the correct answer is Arikamedu, which is the present day Pondicherry. Who said bullion was flowing out of Rome to India? And the correct answer is Pliny. Who wrote Geographica? And the correct answer is it was written by Strabo in Greek. Who wrote Geography? And the correct answer is it was written by Ptolemy in Greek. Who wrote Natural History? And the correct answer is Pliny. Who wrote Periplus of Erythraean Sea? And the correct answer is the author is unknown. This is the end of lesson, guys. In the next lesson, we'll be taking up Sangam period. Thank you.